If you want to enhance your security by removing old devices from your Chase Bank account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Access Device Management. In the Security Settings, look for a section labeled Device Management or Manage Devices. This section will show you all the devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Review the list of devices. Identify the old devices you no longer use or recognize. Click on the option to remove or unlink these devices from your account. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the devices to remove, you will likely be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal process. By following these steps, you can easily remove all devices from your Chase Bank security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.